Hello students, I am Bina Salunkhe from Sundarbai Marathe Vidyalay Kharadi welcomes all of you in this grammar lesson. Friends, today we are going to learn what the sentence is and the type of sentences. So friends, let's get started. First of all, we will see what the sentence is. A sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense. It expresses a complete thought or idea and it conveys meaning. This is the first feature of the sentence, that it expresses a complete thought or idea as well as it conveys meaning. The second feature is it must have subject as well as verb. But sometimes subject is not given, but it is understandable or implied. Just look at the two examples on the screen. The first one is the apples are red. The first feature of the sentence is that it expresses a complete sense or meaning. In the first sentence, we can get the complete meaning of the sentence that the apples are red. So we are satisfied with this meaning or with this sentence. So it is a complete sentence. Let's go towards the second sentence. Take your bag. This is also a sentence. But if you read this sentence, in this sentence there is no subject. So in this subject, we must have to understand that there is a subject you. So the sentence will be you take your bag. That is, sometime we have to understand that there is a subject. Okay. So these are the two examples of the sentence. Just keep it in mind the two features that sentence have complete thought or idea as well as meaning, and sometimes the subject is not given but we have to understand the subject. Friends, the sentences are broadly classified according to its meaning and expression into four types. The first one is assertive or declarative sentences, or we can say statements. The second type is interrogative sentences, that is the questions. The third one is imperative sentences. And the fourth one is exclamatory sentences. Please note that there are also affirmative and negative statements as well as questions also. So let's get started with our first type, that is assertive or declarative sentences. A sentence that makes an assertion or declaration is called an assertive sentence or declarative sentence. Okay. So these sentences, simply we can say declarative sentences tells information or state facts. For example, the cow gives us milk. I buy new phone yesterday. I always complete my homework in time. It's nice to see you happy. And it will rain today. In all these sentences, the information is given over there or the state the facts. So in all these sentences, a declaration is made or an assertion is made. So all these sentences are assertive or declarative sentences, or we can say statements. Please note that all these sentences, that is assertive sentences, end with a full stop. Let's go towards the second type, that is interrogative sentences. A sentence that asks a question is called an interrogative sentence. For example, who are you? What is your name? Do you want anything? Won't you come closer? These are the some types of examples of interrogative sentences. These interrogative sentences are again classified into two types of sentences. The first one is WH questions. So let's study WH questions. These WH questions started with our WH questionnaire words. They begin with interrogative pronouns such as what, who, which, whom, and whose. And interrogative adverbs like where, when, why, and how. In the same way, interrogative adjectives what, which and whose. That is, all these are interrogatory words, or we can say questionary words. For examples are given there. Who are you? What is your name? Where does he study? Why are you late? When did she came? How many pens do you have? How are you? Which is your bag? So these are the examples of or the sentences of WH questions, and answer to such a question is always a complete sentence. So this WH questions ends with a question mark. The second type of questions or interrogative sentences is yes/no, or we can say verbal questions. They always start with an auxiliary verb like am, is, are, was, were, have, has, had, do, does, did, will, shall, would, should, may, might, can, could, ought, etc. The examples are: am I correct? Have they finished the work? Is she not ready? Can I help you? Will they not come? So, note that there are also positive questions and negative questions. The answer to negative questions is generally yes, and the answer to a positive question is generally no. Note that the negative not comes just after the subject. Let's go towards the third type of sentence, that is imperative sentences. A sentence that expresses a command, request, desire or an instruction is called imperative sentence. For example, get out from here. Complete the work in time. May God bless you. Please get me something to drink. Take 2 apples from this basket. Please help me. Friends, in all these sentences, there is a command or a request or a desire. These imperative sentences expresses a command or desire or a request. These imperative sentences always ends with a full stop. Now the fourth type of sentence is exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences are the sentences that express sudden feelings or emotions. It's called exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences are always followed by the mark of interjection. See interjection marks at the end of all these sentences on the screen. The sentences are: what a melodious voice it is. Alas, she is gone. Ah, what a tragedy. What an interesting story this is. How strange journey it is. Wow, what a 6. All these sentences are exclamatory sentences. Through these exclamatory sentences, we can express our sudden feelings or emotions such as surprise, happiness. In this sentence, wow, what a 6. The surprise feeling or the expression is expressed here. What a melodious voice it is. In this sentence, the expression of happiness is expressed. Ah, what a tragedy. In this sentence, the expression of sadness is expressed. So, in these exclamatory sentences, our sudden feelings or emotions are expressed. So friends, these are the 4 types of sentences. Today we have learned what the sentence is and the 4 type of sentences. I hope you have understand the sentence as well as the 4 kinds of sentences with their examples. Just for homework, you make your own sentences of all the 4 types. I hope you will do your homework. I hope you understand the sentence and the 4 types of sentences. Thank you very much.